Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. Alright y'all, so today is Sunday, January 1st, y'all. January 1st, 2023. So I hope y'all is having an amazing day. So y'all know what this means. January, I feel like spring is around the corner. Spring is around the corner, okay? So y'all already know what time it is. Gardening time. Gardening. It's time to get serious about gardening, okay? Growing your own food and all that good stuff. So I am going to be doing a couple different things pertaining to gardening this year. If it's God's will, of course. Put him first in every plan you do. Well, any plan you make, that's what I'm trying to say. So with that being said, y'all, I am about to harvest from the indoor garden. Yes, harvest from the indoor garden. I still have to get some stuff done far as putting more stuff out and all that stuff, but y'all will see that as I do it. So with that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright y'all, so these are my lettuces right here, and some of it is starting to brown and stuff, so I need to go ahead and make sure I get it before I lose it. So I am going to, first of all, let me give y'all an overview of what it looks like, okay? This is what, and some of it is, I done left the light on too much or whatever. So I really got to cut some of this down and all that stuff so I can get everything back on track. Look at this lettuce, y'all. This is my Buttercrunch lettuce. Alright, y'all. So I am going to try not to cut the center of this lettuce. I want to go around and do the cut and come again method. So I'm going to go to the bottom. Y'all, it smells so good, okay? So good. Woo! Yes. I'm doing chicken burgers tonight. So guess what? Guess what? This is right on time, y'all. Right on time. Right on time. Try not to cut the younger ones that I haven't been too long put in here. Trying to go all the way around. Yeah, I gotta do something about these pruners. They all rusted. I know exactly how to clean that up though. I need to do it. Get them ready. Woo. So I'm just trying to get around, let's see, the outer side. Set up so I can hear it, because I have some younger ones that I haven't too long put in here, so I don't want to get those, y'all. Then there's some discoloration on some leaves. Y'all already know me, I like to keep any dead leaves away from my plants because that's just the way I was taught growing up, and it keeps a lot of unwanted bugs that feed off in plants and stuff that then die, decayed plants and stuff like that. So that's just what I do. Some people leave it in there and compost and all that stuff. Not knocking them, I just don't do it that way. Alright, so I'm trying to get around it, and all grew together where I got some newer ones in here. So I'm trying to get all my big leaves as much as possible without damaging any of my smaller ones. Let's see. Oh yeah, this lettuce smells so good. Let's see. I want the big leaves, not the young ones. Oh, fresh lettuce, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I just ate, but it's making me hungry just smelling this lettuce. And Buttercrunch lettuce is my favorite. I love me some Buttercrunch lettuce. And it grows really good indoors. It actually grows better to me indoors than it does outdoors. It really does. It really likes it in here. And I'm happy that it likes it. Ooh, look. Can I get around here? Okay. Break some of it off. Yep. Then get in there. Definitely gonna be growing more of this inside. I wish this camera had smell-o-vision, y'all. Y'all can smell this lettuce as I do. Okay, clean out because it has a lot of yellowing and coloring down here from it laying on the soil and me harvesting it not at a decent time. So I'm gonna clean all that out while I'm in here. Any leaves that's burnt or anything out. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Now this is going to encourage a lot of new growth. I'm just going to go ahead and do it like this. This is going to encourage a lot of new growth. This will be my first time actually harvesting it. Since I had it, so they was just little bitty seedling plants when I got it. Well, when I bought it in here. So yeah, I'm cutting it down really good, y'all, and then I'll just make sure that I'm harvesting it when I need to. Well, not being late on harvesting it anymore. There we go. Cut it all the way down. All the way. Well, not too far down to where I kill the plant, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Now these over here is the ones I just popped in a couple days ago. So they are doing their thing now. Just trying to make sure I get anything that's dead out. It's been sitting on this soil. Cause that's not needed. It's not needed. Alright, I think I got it about clean and all good to go. Next I am going to get some of the Swiss chard. Now some of the Swiss chard is kind of burnt because I haven't been cutting the light off like I supposed to, but it's a lot of it is still good. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest what I can. Like that one right there is burnt. We're gonna get all this new growth is what I want. All this newness. And these over here is really, really good. Take that one off. Yeah, my Swiss chard, I want to get to all the new. See, like this, yeah. Oh, it's nice and crisp. Wonder can y'all hear it? It's nice and crisp. I'm just gonna take these older leaves off and get everybody new growth. Start. Let me show y'all real quick. Alright, y'all, so I have cut it down, cut my lettuce down all the way down, okay? I am going to let this go a little bit more. I got some nice size spinach down here, but I'm gonna let that go just a little bit more or whatever. Everything is looking really, really good though. Really, really good. If y'all been watching me, I just put these in from outside. They were seedlings of red giant mustards from outside in the garden. And I bought them in because with that cold that was coming in, I didn't want all of them to get ruined if they didn't make it. So look how they doing, y'all. If y'all remember, they were so small. Look, y'all. Look. They are growing like crazy. And then my bok choy, I bought some bok choy in because y'all, my bok choy, that cold, with it being okay, let me say, it lasted the first freeze, the second freeze, but that third freeze pretty much took my bok choy out. So I had one on and did me a harvest on it before the freeze, and then I bought me some bok choy inside, as y'all can see, so I won't lose all of it. And this is my turnip green right here, seedling that I bought in. But I'm so glad that I did. Now I do see some yellowing going on, and that just tells me right there I need to fertilize this. That's what I go by. Everybody do things different, but it works for me. When I see yellowing and I know I'm not over watering, I go ahead and give it some fertilizer, and it will go ahead and get everything back together. So these are the lettuces that I bought in recently and planted, and they have grown a bunch, y'all. They done grown so much. And then I popped in there, go another bok choy right there. And then this is another spinach that haven't been too long come in, that I bought in from outside. This is another giant red mustard that seedling that I bought in from outside. And then my Swiss chards looking really good. So this is what you can do with an indoor garden. I am going to be popping more stuff in this grow tent. You don't have to have no grow tent to grow inside, but I mean, like I said, I have one, so I am going to use it. Oh, it's another bok choy right there, y'all, right here. I know I had just popped them in anywhere, but yeah, so this is the lettuce. Well, I'll show y'all the lettuce. All right, y'all, so I'm back inside, and this is my lettuce, y'all. Look at this. So I am so excited about this. So I am going to put it in the sink with some cold water. Yeah, with some cold water. And I am going to get it all washed up and get it put in a produce bag, and then get it ready for tonight. So let me go ahead and get it washed, and then I'll show y'all what it look like, you know, like laid out and everything like that. I'm so excited, y'all. So grow you some stuff inside, okay? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I wash my lettuce. So cold water, not hot water. I wash everything in salt. Okay? I do. It pulls bugs and all this stuff out. So I just pour water in here, and then I am just going to put my lettuce in here and wash it. Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing
too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the out. You got the facts, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Girl, it's time you put.
Alright, y'all, so there you go, my bag of lettuce, y'all. Okay, so I'm excited. So you see it for yourself. You can definitely grow indoors, y'all. And it smells so good, y'all. So I'm finna put this in the refrigerator and gonna have this tonight on some chicken burgers and whatever else we end up having. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And y'all, let's get this gardening on the road, growing your own food, okay? So y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's Jehovah's will, okay? Bye.